Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Contacts or Phone and selecting the contact you want to change. That gets you straight into the poster area. Tap Edit to expose the Contact Poster section at the top. This is where iOS stores the visual card. If the poster is grayed out, make sure you're signed into the Apple ID that created it, because iCloud Sync can lock editing. Once you can tap the poster, you're ready to modify or remove it. Keep the poster preview visible as you proceed. You now tap the Contact Poster preview and choose Edit. From there, look for Remove Poster or a Delete option. Selecting Remove Poster deletes just the poster while leaving the contact intact. Choosing Default replaces the poster with Apple's generic display. Make sure to confirm the action when prompted. This prevents accidental loss. After confirming, iOS uploads the change to iCloud, so the poster disappears across all your devices. If you prefer, you can instead replace the poster with a neutral default image to keep a visual placeholder. Finish by exiting Edit mode and reopening Contacts to verify the poster is gone. Visual confirmation is quick and decisive. If the poster persists, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or simply restart your iPhone. This often forces a sync refresh. Make sure iCloud Contacts is enabled in Settings. If it's off, posters won't update across devices. One troubleshooting tip: toggle iCloud Contacts off then on again to resync. That usually resolves step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.